If you've ever wanted a super quick and easy way to edit your photos on your PC, today's tutorial is just for you. I'll be showing you, step by step, exactly how to install Adobe Photoshop Express right onto your Windows computer. By the end of this video, you'll have Photoshop Express up and running, ready to make your images pop with just a few clicks. Let's dive right in. There are actually two main methods you can use to get Photoshop Express on your Windows device, either through the Microsoft Store or as a progressive web app using your web browser. I'll walk you through both so you can choose the approach that makes the most sense for you. First up, let's talk about installing via the Microsoft Store. This is probably the most straightforward way, and it's really designed to be simple and secure. So go ahead and open up the Microsoft Store. You'll usually find its icon pinned on your taskbar. It's the little shopping bag with the Windows logo. If you don't see it, don't worry. Just type Microsoft Store into your Start menu search bar and it'll pop right up. Once the Microsoft Store is open, look for the search bar at the top of the window. Type Adobe Photoshop Express into the search field and hit enter. You should see it appear in the results, often with a familiar blue and white logo. Here's a quick tip. Double-check that what you're downloading is the official app from Adobe Inc. Sometimes there are similar names, but you want the one from the actual publisher to ensure safety and reliability. Click on Get to begin the installation. The store will download and install the app automatically. This part might take a few moments, depending on your internet speed, but you'll see a progress bar, so just hang tight. Once it finishes, you'll find Adobe Photoshop Express in your Start menu, ready to use. It really is as simple as that. What I love about using the store is you'll get automatic updates, and you know the app comes directly from the source. But maybe you prefer using your browser, or you want to try out Photoshop Express without a full install. That's where the Progressive Web App or PWA option comes in. PWAs basically let you run web-based apps on your desktop, just like regular programs, which is pretty neat. To do this, open up your browser of choice. Chrome or Microsoft Edge works perfectly. Head over to the official Adobe Express website. You can simply search Adobe Photoshop Express online or type in the direct URL if you have it. Once you're on the site, keep an eye on the address bar up at the top. In Chrome, you'll see a small icon, usually a little computer screen with a down arrow on the far right of the address bar. Click that icon and you'll see an option to install Adobe Photoshop Express. Hit Install, and in just a few seconds, it'll add a shortcut right to your desktop or Start menu. If you're using Microsoft Edge, the process is almost the same, but you'll want to click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner, go down to Apps, and select Install Adobe Express. Again, super quick, you'll get that easy access to the app without needing to jump back into your browser every time. Both of these methods get you to the same result, a fast, lightweight version of Photoshop Express that you can use for edits, crops, color tweaks, and more, all with a simple tap. If you run into any hiccups like a missing install button or store errors, don't stress. Sometimes a quick browser refresh or store update does the trick. That's all there is to it. Now you know two easy ways to get Photoshop Express installed on your Windows machine. Give it a try and start transforming your photos today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or tips of your own. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials. See you in the next one.